Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage customer insights with Qualtrics step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Qualtrics account. Navigate to the Projects tab on the main dashboard. Click the Create Project button to start a new project. Select Survey for gathering customer insights. Choose a suitable template or start from scratch. Set a name for your project that reflects its purpose. Design your survey by clicking on Edit Survey. Add questions using different formats, such as multiple choice or open text. Utilize the question options to customize each question's settings. Incorporate branching logic to tailor the survey flow based on responses. Preview the survey to ensure it appears as intended. Once satisfied, click on Distribute to share the survey with your target audience. Choose your distribution method, such as email, social media, or a web link. Monitor responses in real time from the Data and Analysis tab. Analyze the data using Qualtrics' advanced reporting tools. Use visualization options like graphs and charts to present insights clearly. Create dashboard reports for an overview of key metrics. Export findings in preferred formats for presentations or further analysis. Utilize feedback loops to continuously improve customer insights. Lastly, schedule regular check-ins to assess the effectiveness of your strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.